Hello guys, what's up? Okay, I just finished submitting a paper for publication at Global Health Journal, and that publication is a WHO Health Implementation Scoping Review. So we sent it out for publication. And in fact, initially I thought it was recording when I started this submission. It's been over an hour that I started this. I started recording the submission, but it ended up not recording. And I honestly feel bad that it didn't record. But then I want to show you guys what I actually did during this process. I want to show you guys what just a quick glance at how I started the submission from the creating of account to the approving the submission. So let's go back. I'm going to share my screen now so that you all can see what I did with this paper. The paper is a WHO Health Implementation Research Review in Sub-Saharan Africa. So let me share my screen so I can show you the paper and everything that happened with this paper. Okay, guys. I hope my video is recording. Okay, it is. So let's go ahead and I have to verify again because the first one that I recorded did not record. So let me show you guys the paper. This is the paper. Here is the paper. This is the title of the paper. Implementation of WHO has technical package for hypertension research in sub-Saharan Africa. So the scoping review. These are the authors, their affiliations. This is the corresponding author, which is me. This is the abstract, introduction, and everything that has to do with this paper I already prepared this paper in line with Prisma SCR guideline because this is copy review, it's systematic review. So I prepared it in line with the Prisma SCR guideline. So this is the Prisma SCR guideline. Yeah, this is a level checklist. I already prepared this. So I wanted to make this thing together with the main paper. So guys, this is the paper. This is the manuscript. This is the cover letter, because you have to prepare a cover letter too, because you're going to submit cover letter to your manuscript. And this is the fillable checklist. So I have to submit these 3 paper. I also have to submit the graphic abstract. Let me show you guys the graphic abstract. Because when you're publishing with Global Health, you have to prepare and upload a graphic abstract too. So for this paper, let me show you guys the graphic abstract that I prepared. So here it is. No, not this. Not this one. Here it is. So guys, this is the graphic abstract. Global Health Journal requires you to prepare this graphic abstract like a summary, like a poster for this particular paper. Okay. So for this journal for this Global Hearts Journal, which is a part of Elsevier journals. They require three things compulsory: the main manuscript, which is this, the cover letter, which is this, and this. But then I had to add this fillable checklist as a supplementary file, showing that I actually carried out this paper in line with the Prisma SCR, which is the Prisma Scopy Review checklist. So let me show you guys how we did this. So this is the publication. I was already at this point before I realized that it wasn't recording at all. So let me show you guys what I did. So I'm going to click on edit submission. So let's edit some. Let me show you guys how we did, where we uploaded this paper. Stay with me, guys. Is this recording? Let's find out. Okay, it's actually recording. Okay, there it is. Yeah, it is, guys. So my paper is a Scopy review. So I clicked review. Also the uh, closest article type to my Scopy review. Click review. Proceed. So this is the manuscript that I uploaded. How do you upload a manuscript? You click on browse, and you upload. This is the manuscript. I already uploaded it. So you click here and it will upload automatically. So and manuscript is the main submission. So if you want to change submission to cover letter, if you want to upload cover letter after uploading manuscript, you click on cover letter, browse, then from browsing, you find your cover letter in your files. So this is the cover letter for Global Hearts that I already prepared. I click here and it will upload. Same thing with the graphic abstract. Okay, so I did all of that, and here are the files that I uploaded. This is my main manuscript. This is my cover letter. This is the Prisma fillable checklist. Okay, and this is the graphic abstract. This is supplementary. Under supplementary files, I clicked on the Prisma SCR fillable checklist. So let's proceed. So here I clicked on my region of origin is Nigeria. So yeah, of course, is Nigeria. I clicked on Nigeria, and here I clicked on my submission specific area of interest, which is hypertension, cardiovascular disease. I added it here, and I proceed. Okay, just follow me. Let me show you guys how I did it quickly. So now here they required that I add reviewers that I want to review my paper. So I have to go online and search for reviewers that can review my paper, this particular paper, and suggest the reviewers to them. And then I don't have any opposing reviewers that I don't like, that I don't want to review this paper. So I have to click on this three reviewers that I can find. Let's proceed. So how do you add the reviewer? You click on add suggested, you click here, and it will provide all the information for the reviewer, like name, middle name, family name, and every information regarding the reviewer. So you click on it here. Okay. You enter the information about the reviewer that you want to review your paper for you. So here I already have 3 reviewers and I have to proceed. Guys, follow me because this is going to be very quick. Now, the word count of my paper, I have to state it here. The general word count of my paper is 8,137. I entered the word count. I answer all their instructions here regarding my paper. So this is a new paper that is not published anywhere or under review with another journal. So I have to input those informations here. Okay. I have to click yes, yes. For this one, I have to click not applicable because this is not an original research. So it's not applicable. Here, these are instructions. So I have to read these instructions and click yes where it is required. And all the instructions here for my paper is yes. So let me not go ahead and start reading them one by one. Okay. So it says here that if for the instruction here, they require you're asking whether I am using a large data repositories, but no, this is just a scopy review. I have to state that my study does not analyze a large data set. Okay, so here it says the corresponding author is an ORCID identifier. Yes, I'm the corresponding author, and I already have my ORCID identifier. So for all our instruction here is yes, yes. For this one, he asked whether I am under authors from LMIC countries. And I clicked it. Yeah, LMIC rates. I really don't know what their rate is, but I hope it's free. So he asked whether I need support for full waiver. I clicked on full waiver. Here, I have to outline my request, how I want the full waiver, why I want the full waiver. I said that my review, follow my writing here. So my review is self-funded and as such, and we are authors from Nigeria, which is an LMIC country. They cannot afford the article processing charge for publication of this paper due to the limited availability of research funding in our country. So here, they asked me to enter any other comments regarding this paper. I don't have any comments, so I click on proceed. Okay, this is where I input every data regarding the paper. Here, I have to insert the title of my paper here. We don't have a secondary title, so we only have one title. Next, there is the abstract. They require 150 words abstract. My abstract is currently 148 words. And we don't have the secondary abstract, so I click on next. So these are my keywords for this particular paper. Okay, here are the authors that contributed to writing this manuscript. So these are the authors. I am the first author here and the corresponding author. And these are all other authors that participated in the writing of this particular review. How do you add their names? You click on add author, you insert their names, middle name, information, everything that you know about them. And if they are a corresponding author, you have to click here. If they are not, you can leave here open, vacant like this, don't click on anything. Just fill up here and click here to save. You click here to save the author. Okay? Well, I already entered the number of authors that participated in the writing of this manuscript, so I'm not going to be adding any new authors. So let's discard this. So I click on next. So it says that I should choose a funding source from the list that displays as you start to enter your funders name. So we don't have a fund, you don't have funding for this particular publication. So I'm going to leave here open, I can't like that. So at this stage, we are done with inputting every information regarding this paper. So you can decide to either save and submit later, or you do PDF for immediate approval and of your paper. So for now, I'm going to have to build my PDF for approval. Okay. So I click on build PDF for approval. As you can see here, it says submissions waiting for approval by author. It says if no actions appear for your submission, please wait a few minutes. The PDF will build. It says the actions appear automatically when your PDF is available. That means it's currently building my PDF, and action, which is here, would appear when my PDF is ready. So I'm going to wait till it's done building my PDF. Then I have to click on actions that it provides me here. Okay. Remember, it's quite easy to submit with Elsevier journals. The only thing you have to do is, first of all, you create an account. Then you add your information, name, address, email address, and so many information that they ask you. You have to, create an account, add username, password. So these are the first things that you do when you are publishing with LC. They have to create an account with them, with the journal. So Global Heart Journal is part of WHO Federation journals. I really don't know about much about them, but this my manuscript is focused on WHO implementation of heart technical package. That's why I have to choose a suitable journal. And this particular journal is the most suitable for this paper and for this particular manuscript. Okay, so that's why I'm choosing this particular journal is the most suitable. So, and something with them is quite easy. And for sure, I did to because we are authors from Nigeria, we don't have funding. I look forward to uh, not having to pay an article processing charge for this manuscript because I already clicked that we don't have funding. So, but I don't really know their guideline regarding the funding issue. But since it's WHO, yeah, you should be able to have a free waiver to publish this paper. So, guys, at this moment, the the PDF is building. So once it's done building, that's when we approve the manuscript for publication. We approve it for that. The approval is the final stage of this manuscript publication. And after approval, the next thing is peer review, and we hope that they accept this paper. Okay, while we wait for the journal to finish building the PDF, I want to show you guys because I already built the PDF before I realized that this I realized that actually the video wasn't recording. Okay, so I have to show you guys how I do from start. So, but for now, let me show you guys the initial PDF that this that was built. So here it is, guys. Follow me. Follow me, guys. Here it is. So this is the initial PDF that was built. Okay, I downloaded it to show you guys. So here is every information that I provided regarding this publication, regarding this manuscript. So actually, it's actually building a new one, but it will still look like this because I have to click on edit so I can show you guys how I provided the information about this manuscript in the journal of publication, right? So here it is. So let's go ahead. So this is my abstract. This is the author's name. This is the author's names, my abstract, the reviewers that I suggested, my word count, and information regarding my paper, the content of my paper. Here it is. Here, let's see. This is the content of my paper. This is the content of this paper. While I scroll down, let me check if the PDF is still building. It's still building. So let me keep showing you guys the paper. Okay, so here is the main paper, the content of this manuscript that I prepared for publication. Okay, so here it is. So that's all. Here is conclusion, and this is content. So that's all. So here is declaration. Like I said before, we didn't have funding for this paper. I had to state it here that no funding they received for this paper, and we don't have any competing interest, anything of any sort. So these are the references that were cited in this paper. Okay. And also, these are other papers that I submitted for, and together with this manuscript. I told you before that I submitted the cover letter too. So this is my cover letter that I submitted before. So okay, now they are done with the PDF building. They are done with the PDF building. So let's go back to the journal site. Okay, it says action links needs approval. So approve submission. You must view your submission PDF for accuracy before it can be approved. Please click view submission. And when you are satisfied with PDF, click approve submission, send publication. Okay, let's view submission. View submission. So by viewing the submission, they download the submission. Okay, here it is. I showed you guys before that they are preparing the PDF afresh because I requested for it again. I already did it before. Okay, so this is same paper that I showed you guys before. So yeah, just like they built a new one, just like they built a new PDF. So in that case, since I have viewed the PDF, right? So let's approve submission. Okay. Okay, it says, thank you for approving the manuscript. Look at the title, mention of this. So yeah, done. So this is the end of the submission. I just hope that Global Hearts Journal accepts this paper. Okay, so I hope they accept it. So if you find this video helpful, kindly like, comment, and can share with your colleagues, your pals that that you also find this video helpful, that it will benefit people that are struggling. They don't know how to submit them. They have no idea how to go ahead with having to publish a paper in journal. So we hope that this paper gets published with this Global Heart Journal. So thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned because I'm going to be showing you guys in my next video. I'm going to show you guys how we publish with Springer Nature Journal. Remember, Global Hearts is part of Elsevier Journal and is linked to the WHO Federation, something I really don't know. Well, yeah, so we are done with this submission and we go for a positive feedback. Now, after submission, the normal routine after submission is that the journal will send you an acknowledgement email. So here, I just received an email from the journal that an acknowledgement email. Let me show you guys the email. So wait a minute, guys. It's loading. Okay. Says submission confirmation. Your submission titled this has been received by Journal Global Hacks. You'll be able to check on the progress of your paper by logging on to the editorial manager as an author. This is the link to the paper. It says the manuscript should be given a reference number once an editor has been assigned. Thank you for submitting your work to this journal. And regards, Global Hacks. So guys, we have come to the end of this submission. So guys, please like this video, ask your questions down in the comment section, and I will be sure to respond to your question. Okay. So thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.